Hi, I'm Eddie, one of the new tech tutors here at UM-Dearborn. We're available to answer software questions for students, faculty, and staff. We focus on Google, Adobe, and Microsoft products. For example, we've helped students install software their faculty recommended for a class, shown someone how to create a form for their research, and explain how to better use Excel for a class assignment.
Hi, is this the TechTutor office hours?
It is. Welcome. Hey, perfect timing. Let's help the student out. How can we help you today?
Hi, I'm needing to add a trend line to a graph for one of my courses. Could you help me out with that?
Yeah, of course. No problem. Hey, my name's Eddie. What's your name?
The name's Josue. Pleasure.
Nice to meet you. Josue, do you mind sharing your screen so I can talk you through the problem and we can kind of solve it together?
For sure.
All right, so let's add a trend line. So the first thing you want to do is hover your mouse over your graph and then just double click it anywhere. Good, and now you want to go to the top left corner of your screen where it says add chart element. Keep going, there you go. Go ahead and click on that. Now go all the way to the bottom where it says trend line. Now depending on your professor, it's going to specify what kind of trend line you want, but for now just add a linear trend line. So go ahead and click on it. And there you go, you added a trend line to your graph.
Sweet. Thanks, man. You're a lifesaver.
Hey, no problem. It's that easy. Connect with us during our office hours on Zoom, in person in the library, or send us an email and we'll answer it if we can, or we'll set up a personal time to meet with you. Thank you for joining us today.